Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. From the month of March, there is lockdown everywhere, but I feel this lockdown was very necessary for the rat race that we all were running into. I always find students telling me, teacher, there's no time. Anybody and everybody, there's only one thing, like we have no time, whether it is for practicing or whether it is for spending time with each other. So this lockdown, I think for artists, it's a wonderful time, and it's a time where even students can save a lot on their traveling, on their tuitions, on the school, and even for classes. Students who are staying very far off spend a lot of time on traveling. So they actually speaking, I think they are having 2-3 hours more in their hand, which they can utilize for this art form. Many used to crave for time, that if only we had time, we would have actually spent more on learning the art form. So now there is at least 2 to 3 hours of extra time where we don't, people who wanted to learn dance could never learn because there was no time. So now there is nothing like that. I think another 6 months is going to be like this. So I personally feel that these online classes, though it's very tedious for a teacher to work on, to make the child understand about how dancing is, but we are successful and we are doing it very well. Our students are doing great, and I feel all of them, all the artists should take the maximum time to do whatever they wanted to. A lot of research can be done, a lot of artwork can be done, the planners, and superb time to build up your stamina and energy. So I feel this lockdown is planned by God to for the artist in particular, so that we have immense time to talk to each other, share with each other, and learn from all the senior gurus, whoever are available, because everything is online. So we don't actually have to travel anywhere. Just a call away, we have all the senior gurus, and we also have students with us. Lot of discussions, lot of things are happening, and I really hope that by the end of this year there will be more knowledgeable artists and knowledgeable students around us.